Somebody set the dumpster on fire. Wow. Welcome to Columbus, Georgia.
This is Brad, baby! That's what I'm talking about.
What's going on today, Brett Gang? We are continuing the Lifted Truck Explore series here in Columbus, Georgia today. I'm super excited. I knew this was gonna be a big series on the channel, and I think it needs to be something that we continue to do all the time as we explore new cities. I know that you guys don't get a chance to explore new cities, and every time that I go out, I wanna take the lifted truck right over there, take the lifted truck out with us and explore some new things, some new places, new people, just all of it. I love doing that, and I really enjoy being able to get to meet new people and explore places with the people in my life. So we found the biggest cow statue in the world apparently, and I figured that, you know, there's no better way to start out the video than to tell you guys to eat more chicken, except on Sundays. You know, I like Chick-fil-A. Well, no, we can't do that. Bojangles. Eat chicken every goddamn day at Bojangles, you know? Gotta throw the plug in there. Huge shout out to the sponsor. The next truck meet will be in May. Look at that. Y'all see that? Ooh. There's lifted trucks all over the place out here. I hope you guys are excited. New city, let's get this bread. Stay tuned. Look how big this freaking cow is. This is weird.
How many gallons of milk you think?
2 or 3.
Really?
I don't even want to like touch it.
I did, I milked it already.
I know it's fake, but it like, on camera?
Milk it!
Like,
squirt, 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 squirt. Okay, that looks weird.
So we've been exploring Columbus for the afternoon, and obviously we haven't found any great spots yet. So we've, you know, a bunch of old churches. Columbus isn't really the most exciting place to explore, but that's the fun of it, is coming and trying to find new places. We did find a cool spot that we could come kind of take pictures on the railroad tracks. But the one fun thing that I think I'm gonna try, even though that she's gonna be in the truck really mad at me, is if you guys remember way back when I first started filming YouTube videos, I actually was doing a channel update one time, and I hopped on a moving train, ride the train for a little bit.
Ah! This is not safe. I would climb up, but I'm gonna fall off and bust and die, so.
And I've always really loved going back and watching that video, and something that I have the opportunity to do here today again is jump on a train. Now this one's not moving, but I have to, at least for the video, run down and get on the train real quick. So I know she's probably not gonna be happy that I'm doing this, but I gotta run down here and get some content for you guys before we move to the next spot. So hold on just a second. I don't even know what this train is like. Oh, it's not, you can't even go inside of it. I'm not gonna get on top of it or anything, but here's the train that leads all the way down to the truck down there. So of course we have to at least hop on the train for a second. It's only right, since we did it last time, get on the train. There's the truck down there. It's been so long since I've been on a train. I really like, you know, coming and exploring and doing different stuff like this. It's so much fun, and you get an opportunity to share it with you guys on YouTube. I've definitely had my fun for this spot. Before she gets too mad at me, I'm gonna run back to the truck, and I'll see you guys at the next spot. You better be fast. Go over there. Something's on fire. Somebody set the dumpster on fire. Wow. Wow. Welcome to Columbus, Georgia. I'm gonna turn this way. According to the wall, this is Lady Columbus. I don't know, wait. I don't know what the hell she's looking at, but Lady Columbus. After going way around my ass, our one goal was really to get a picture with the river, and I think we've actually accomplished this. If you guys want to see the picture that ends up on my Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram at thatwide.bowtie. The river, this is actually the Chattahoochee River, and there's railroad tracks that run right by it. We went to that side, which is where you saw the railroad tracks previously, but our goal was to get a picture with the river, and I think we've accomplished that goal today. So that was spot number 3, turning out to be a little bit better than I thought, so we're gonna keep moving and see what we can find. So I didn't know this until about 30 seconds ago, but Troy University is right here, and I never knew that ever until today, but I think we outdid ourselves from the last time. I don't know if you guys can tell, that is the river right there. They actually have some white water, it looks like rapids, coming through downtown Columbus, which is pretty cool. You got the whitewater rapids coming through here, and then especially like right down in that area. And I was an idiot and was looking at something as we were coming over, but right down over there, this is pretty cool. I've really never taken pictures with a river before, so I'm super excited that we were able to come over here and do this. You got the truck right here looking all cute. Look at the, what was she, what? She rolled the window down at me. What was she saying? Look how, you're cute.
No.
What are you talking about?
Oh my God.
To the next spot? To the next spot? Wait, is it gonna focus? Come on, no! He is... I know that little clip was blurry, but there was a guy standing in the middle of this random, just little parking lot, and he is just swiping away on his phone like the people they make memes about like on, what is it, Tinder? Is that what it is? People, he was like just just swiping, probably for a good 30 seconds. That was, I'm so mad that was blurry.
Oh, he is! He's smoking a doozy!
Caught. I hope I'm...
You're gonna catch this curve. Oh my God, hey, look, it's our guy! The one with 6 kids.
He's got like 12 kids.
But he's hardcore.
Not more than me.
They're trying not to look, but they already look.
There hasn't been too much excitement going on in Columbus today, but to spice things up a little bit, I do have a little bit of a new mod, courtesy of my beautiful girlfriend, This Wide Bowtie, and you might have seen him on Instagram, Grill Tech. Huge shout out to Grill Check. Wow, I can't even talk today. Grill Tech for making such an amazing product, but you guys know I didn't have to get one. They got together kind of behind my back and surprised me with one. So again, huge shout out to them, but fucking mint. So it matches the truck. So I'm super excited to get this put on. We're actually at Advanced Auto. I'm probably gonna get some bolt locks or something to put this on, because you know bolt locks are definitely the way to go. But I'm really excited to get this put on the truck and let you guys kind of see how it looks, so I can start breaking some. I think it goes like that. Start. Hell yeah, dude! I'm so excited about that. I'll see you guys in a second when we get something to put it on. Bam! Just like that, we got the new hitch cover on. Do you like it?
I love it.
I think it works.
Oh my God.
That's mint. I didn't think I'd ever get something like, well, you got it for me, that's why.
I fucking love that shit.
You guys like that? I hope you guys, I'm the first person in Atlanta to get one of these, so
Got him!
huge shout out to Grill Tech. I think you guys deserve a restaurant review tonight. I don't know where we're gonna eat, but I think you guys deserve a restaurant review tonight. So we're gonna figure that out. We're gonna ride through the mall over here and see what kind of lifted trucks we can find tonight. We've seen some pretty interesting vehicles today, that's for sure, but I think we can get a couple more in the video before we do our review. It's a GTR on drag slicks.
Ooh, quick GTR.
Look at this thing. Actually it literally has drag slicks on the back. Dang.
Wow. That's crazy.
That's literally what I was about to say. That's
Is it?
crazy.
It is.
I like it. I bet it's fast.
It looks fast.
It's probably fast. Gotta be fast. I just said
90
fast
grand,
a lot.
yeah.
Are they 90 grand?
Yeah. Well,
Jeez.
I don't know what the actual retail is, but a used one.
There's a place right across from where I work that does nothing but GTR stuff. There's about 6 or 7 of them over there on any given day.
I
So,
thought you were gonna circle around it.
man, I'm a
Calls for it. Hurry. Ooh.
dang.
Like we're like a shark circling its prey.
That looks cool. In the saga of Columbus, Georgia, we tried to find a really good seafood spot to go eat tonight, but unfortunately we're running out of time. We still have a 2.5 hour drive back to Atlanta. We're kind of running out of places. So we are at Old Reliable. There's no sign on the back of the restaurant, but it is Buffalo Wild Wings. Almost a personal favorite for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. If you guys like this Lifted Trucks Explore series, I don't know what we're gonna name it. We'll figure something out. But if you guys like this kind of content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Comment something below. Let me know what you think. Let me know a city that you guys want to see me explore. If you want to see more Atlanta or Augusta or something, let me know in the comments below. But hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much to Grill Tech and my beautiful girlfriend again. I will see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom _F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.